These DIY hacks are so cool. Guys, watch the video to the very end. Welcome back to Ready Set Viral. I think we should just get straight into these super convenient DIY hacks. Number 10.
If you've ever tried to make stuffed peppers but struggled with keeping them upright on the pan, all you have to do is easily get a muffin pan and place them right inside. It's a super easy hack for cooking, and we know you are dying to try it now.
Number 9, messy foods say less. Ever eat really messy food that you eat with your hands? Today you're in luck, because instead of using your hands, get a hair tie clipper and put it on both ends of the food and eat in the middle. We hope this helps as such when you're eating chicken or anything else that gets your hands dirty. Number 8, stack of flip-flops. Ever had a struggle of not being able to reach something? You're in luck. You're gonna need a few pairs of flip-flops. Rip the piece off that holds your feet and now add hot glue to it. Repeat this and stack it on the flip-flop and do it until you're confident enough to reach something. Now you should be able to reach anything you need. Number 7, a food utensil for soup. When you eat soup, don't you just hate when it falls through? Today we'll be showing you how to get it all. Grab a mini fork and cut the top piece off. Hot glue the bottom piece of it and glue it back to the top of the spoon. And now you can make sure you get every last bite. Guys, if you're enjoying the video so far, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button because trust me, you don't want to miss out on any of these other hacks. Number 6, steel soap bar. This one's going to be an odd one, but have you ever randomly had bad odor? Well, don't worry. Use a steel soap bar, rinse it in water over the sink, and wash your hands with it. It'll get rid of anything on your hands because we know sometimes there's just things we can't control. Number 5, wobbly table. If you have a wobbly table, get this hack with 4 toy cars. Hot glue the top of all of them and put the toy cars under the legs of the table. Now you should be able to move the table around. Just a quick hack. Number 4, getting rid of sand on a towel. Ever get annoyed by sand getting on your towel when you're at the beach? This hack's going to make your life a lot easier. Get rid of the beach towel. This may sound weird, but trust us, you've been doing it wrong your whole life. Use a blanket sheet. Get 4 objects to hover it over in the corners and make sure one of them has a bucket of water in them. When you're done walking in the sand, dip your feet in the bucket and dry them off. Once you're finished, you can lay on the sheet and enjoy it being sand-free. Number 3, wire holders. Have you ever had trouble with your headphones or wires getting all tied and caught up? Well, don't worry, because if you have a few of these small hair clips, all you have to do is round them all up and put the hair clip into it. And there you go, your wires are good to go. Number 2, sandpaper shoes. We all know we've slipped while being in our shoes. It sucks and it's kind of painful. To prevent slipping or falling, get a piece of sandpaper and cut a shape out of it to glue it to the bottom of your shoe. Whenever you're in the rain, you will not slip or have an injury. Let's hope at least. Number 1, closing a chip bag. Some of us don't know how to close a chip bag, and that's okay. This one will be easy. Once you're done eating, grab 2 small pieces of magnets and apply them to the bag on the opposite sides of each other. And there you go. What do you guys think of today's video? Let us know in the comments down below, but that's all we have here on Ready Set Viral. Hit the like and comment button if you enjoyed it, as well as turning your post notifications on once you subscribe, and watch the 2 videos that are on your screen. You'll love them just as much. We'll see you guys next time.